Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Draw your awareness inward, focusing on your breath. With each exhale, release tension and relax. Let gratitude for your breath ground you in the present moment. You're exactly where you need to be, aligned with the best version of yourself as a trader. Visualize trading with calm, clarity, and discipline. Trust your strategy and stay composed no matter what the market brings. Embrace opportunities only when they are clear and right. Stay present and undistracted, analyzing with clarity. Protect your capital by predefining your risk. Honor your trading plan regardless of the outcomes. Now picture your day unfolding effortlessly. See yourself prepared, calm, and deliberate in each decision. Challenges are met with composure, and you remain focused on the bigger picture, ending your day with gratitude and confidence. Thank you for showing up today. Slowly return your awareness to the room. Wiggle your fingers and tools and open your eyes when ready.